What is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos. So in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can upload spoiler image on Discord using your Discord mobile. So it's pretty simple. So let's get on with it. So the first step is you need to rename your photo which you want to send on Discord as a spoiler image. So what a spoiler image is spoiler image is an image which is blurred. So the only way you can see a spoiler image is to click it, then only see it. That's what spoiler image is, alright? So let me show you guys how you guys can create it. But before I show you the way, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button on our One to Step YouTube channel because it helps our channel to grow and you guys can get notified once our new tutorial videos. So let's get on with it. So first thing, as I said, you need to rename the photo which you want to send on Discord as a spoiler. So I'm going to go on my file manager and rename the photo. So you need to go to your file manager and search where the photo is and rename the photo. So I'm going to rename my photo over here. So this is the image which I want to send as a spoiler. So what I'm going to do is rename this photo over here. Now remember, this is the main key point. When you're renaming the photo, you want to rename the photo by beginning it with this. Or you want to write spoiler underscore. Now remember, spoiler should be written all in capital number and end it with the underscore. Now you can type whatever thing you want behind it and click on save. Basically, you want to add spoiler underscore before your photo, all in capital word. After doing that, basically you can go to your gallery and choose the photo and send it on Discord. So this is the photo. So I'm going to click on send and I'm going to choose Discord from over here. And after going on Discord, I'm going to choose which server to send on. So I'm going to go General Nepal and I'm going to send it. Wait for it, it's sending, and boom, that's basically how you guys can send it. So I just sent it. This is my spoiler image. Now if I want to view it, I need to click on it and then it will be unblurred. So that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on to our channel One to Step because it helps our channel to grow. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. We will be happy to answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.